All right, family, we are back with a huge Walmart haul today. Got a whole bunch of things, so let's get straight into it. I'm starting with some frozen items that I had to restock on. I got some more of the frozen strawberries. This is a really big pack, 4-pound pack. They have the sliced ones. That's usually what I like to get, but this time they only had one bag left of these whole strawberries, nothing else. So I said I better get them because we use them in a lot of things. I make jelly with them, do smoothies, all kind of stuff like that. So I always like to keep some on hand. So I got another pack of that. That will last us for quite some time. And I have about a half a bag of the sliced ones still left too. So that'll take me a little bit until I can get back. I got another big bag of the broccoli florets. They have the cut pieces too, but I don't like those because they have, you know, the little stalks in there, the little hard stalks, and I don't care how long you cook them, they don't get tender. So if you can't get fresh, like I said in one of our other haul videos, broccoli is high for some reason. I can't always get it at a good price, so the next best thing is frozen. So I just buy them frozen in this big pack. This is a 2-pound pack. They also have smaller packs too, so you don't have to get these big ones of the strawberries or broccoli. Any of their frozen foods, they have several sizes of them. But I always get the big one because we go through them fast. Because I make soups out of them and make a side, broccoli casserole, things like that. Then I also got some more okra, just cut okra. This is the smaller bag. I think it's around in the dollar range for 12 ounces. Of course, all the prices will be at the end for you. But I use okra to make gumbo. I use it as a side. So it's really good to have on hand. If you like me and you like weird vegetables like okra, you can keep it on hand in your freezer. And then I also got some more of our favorite French fries. When we going all out and having a fish fry, fried chicken, just doing a whole fried out night, we get these Nathan's jumbo crinkle cut French fries. And they are good. 28-ounce bag. We can usually get away with a half a bag. That'll feed the family because they're really, really thick French fries. Here are the ingredients right here. So you just drop them in your deep fryer. They have a couple of options to cook them. Let me show you. Yeah, conventional oven and deep fry. So you can put them in the oven if you want to, 425. Spread them out on a baking sheet. And they tell you how long to cook them. Or you can deep fry them like we do. We just put them in the fry dead and deep fry them and they're ready. Like it says, 7-8 minutes. Quick and easy side dish. And then I got some breaded okra too, the small bag. So we drop those in the fryer whenever we doing our fry night. Whatever we frying. We'll add these in there too. 12 ounces for that pack too. And they are really good. Turn out real crispy. They're not too breaded either. Like all that thick breading. They're not that bad. They just got enough bread in to give you that crunch. I got some more of the Birch Benders Keto Toaster waffles. These are good. If you eat waffles and you're trying to, you know, not have a French fry night, then you can try these. 12 grams of fat for 2 waffles, 9 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, 5 grams of protein. That's for 2 waffles too. And I think it is 6 waffles in there. So it's 3 servings. And you can put these in the oven too, but I just put them in a toaster oven straight out the freezer. Toast them twice on low and they come out perfect for breakfast. Then for the kids, we got Famous Mary B's buttermilk biscuits. When you're not making them homemade, these are good. This is the big value pack. I usually always get them at Walmart because they have the cheapest prices that I've found. This is a 2-pound, 12-ounce bag. So these are really quick and easy. There are the instructions. Only take 20 minutes in the oven. They cook up a really nice biscuit for you. Then I got some more bell peppers. Kids like them, crazy enough as it is. I think they take after me with eating weird vegetables, but they just eat these with some ranch or even by themselves. Like the yellow ones and the orange ones are really, they have like a sweet taste to me. So they're really good. We chopped them up for snack while they taking a break from school. So this was a 3-pack. It was $3 and some change, but it's pretty good because the colored ones, the colorful green peppers, like colorful peppers, I always call them green peppers, but they come in all different kind of shades. But they're sweeter. They had that sweeter taste than the green ones. And they're always more expensive too. Like the colorful ones, the orange, red, and yellow, they're more expensive. So when I find a 3-pack, that's usually the cheapest way to get them. And then I got some more black olives. I made pizza this week and I didn't have no black olives to put on the supreme pizza I made. So that irritated me. So I had to make sure. I thought for sure I had some in the pantry, but I could not find it for nothing. So when I was in Walmart today, I had to go ahead and hunt these down. They weren't on the regular canned vegetable aisle. They were like on the next aisle. I don't know why they were separate, not considered a canned vegetable, but if you know, let me know. But I had to put it in the Walmart app and see exactly which, aisle it was on. It's crazy. So at least I found them, and we'll have them for next pizza night and for spaghetti and whatever else I put them in. Then I also got some more lunch meat. I usually get this oven roasted deli turkey, Hormel Natural Choice. No preservatives, no nitrates or nitrites added, no artificial ingredients, no added hormones. There are the nutrition facts for you. 3 slices is the serving size. And there are the ingredients. And it is a 8-ounce pack. So I got 2 of those. If we don't get through them, then I just put them in the freezer. And then take them out the day before and they thaw out just fine. Taste the same. And then I also got some more of my meal bars. I eat these in the morning when I just don't have time to get anything else. So it's just a bar and I can grab it and go on about my business. It has enough protein, enough fat in there. This is the whipped triple chocolate slim fast keto. I've tried the other flavors. I don't like them. This is the only flavor that I like. They changed the packaging on this one, and it tastes a little bit different than before, but it's not terrible. It's still better than the other ones that they have. So I still just buy this particular flavor. And there are the nutrition facts if you're interested. And these ingredients are tiny. I'll try and put them on there so you can see if you can see them. And it's 5 of those in there. So it'll last you a week. Gotta go to work and get something quick, then you'll have it. Got some more Frosted Flakes. We're almost out. I got the family size. So the family size is 24 ounces. So hubby likes these. Kiddo will eat them sometime. But hubby eats them with the bananas that I usually get. So that's why I got another thing of bananas. 6 bananas in this bunch. And that will last quite some time. If they start to get, overripe or brown or anything like that, then I just peel them and put them in a freezer bag. Stick them in the freezer hole for smoothie time. And I just take them out and put them in the smoothies that way. Then I also got some more ranch. I actually got 2 of these. So I like this ranch, Lighthouse Home Style Ranch. It tastes good to me. There are the ingredients. I'm sorry, the nutrition facts. And then here are the ingredients for you. So it's made with canola oil. It doesn't have soy like some of the other dressings do. So it doesn't seem to bother me. Even if it has a little bit in there doesn't seem to bother me like the other ones do. So I got 2 of those. And that will last me for quite some time. Use on my salads, dipping vegetables in them, things like that. And then I got some of these, Reynolds oven bags. The turkey size. I bought a turkey when it was on sale a couple weeks ago at Publix. So I thought I had some of these oven bags, but I didn't have any more. So I just picked those up while I was in there. You get 2 bags, and it takes up to 24 pound. Any meat, not just turkey, but any meat, poultry, you got a roast or something like that you want to put in the oven. Chicken, a whole chicken, then you'll be able to use these bags. It keeps them really tender, and it makes it easy to cook in the oven without drying it out. I got some more steakums. I got the big pack this time, 21 steaks. I just made some of these last night. I made some Philly cheesesteaks, and they were really good. I just used this meat and then put some mozzarella cheese on there, saute up some onions and peppers, make some tzatziki sauce, it's like a cucumber yogurt sauce. It goes real good on it, and then have some sort of side fries or something like that. And I didn't have any hoagie rolls last night, so I just used some hot dog buns. So use whatever you got. And you can also put them in wraps too, in those taco wraps and soft tortilla shells, flour tortilla wraps. It goes good in there too. Tastes great. And then I got me another pomegranate. I ate the other pomegranate up, and it was good. So I got me another one. I love these things. They have like a sweet tart taste. Really, really good. And I found out they were good for digestion too. So that's an extra plus for it, besides them tasting good. And I got some gallon water, some spring water. I usually just pick up a couple bottles when I'm in there. I keep one in the refrigerator, because our water here, it tastes terrible. And we don't have a filtration system or anything. So I usually try and buy some spring water whenever I can. Now onto some household items. I got some more bleach. I had 2 bottles left. So I usually clean with bleach, like diluted solution. So I got some more of this bleach. Is it just me, or have y'all noticed that the bottles are getting smaller and smaller? So that's odd, but we got to take what we can get with this things going on. And then I got some more of the Clorox cleanup. Be careful. Watch this. It is, see the sodium hypochlorite is 1.84%. So this is, some of them have less or more of that bleach, which is the sodium hypochlorite. So I always get the one with the most, which seems to be this one, the Clorox Cleaner Plus Bleach. So be careful when you're looking at the other bottles. Some of them actually bleach less. Like they don't have any bleach in them. Some of them have like 1.34% of the sodium hypochlorite. So you might as well get the best bang for your buck and get the big one, or the most Clorox in there. And then we had two of these fuel stabilizers. They're just for storing gas. Like if you had to store it in your lawnmower or a generator or something like that, then you just keep it in the you pour a bottle in there, and you're able to keep it stored for longer without your gas going bad or creating moisture build up. And then we have just a big bag of paper towels. I finally found a big roll. 12 double rolls equals 24 regular rolls. So I got those. I've only been able to find the split sheets lately. I like, the full sheet, but it's hard to find with everything that's going on, so I take what I can get. So I got the big bag of that, since they actually had it in stock. And then I got some more of the dog food for our puppy. Had to get a big bag because it's the last bag they had left. I was like, man, they running low on everything. So I wanted to make sure I had her dog food. Keep up with that. So I actually got a 20-pound bag. Normally I just get like the 11-pound bag because this dog food costs a fortune. But anyway, we're going to have to work it out. And then I got some more plates. They were out of the hefty plates. I used to get the hefty 150 bag of plates, but they were completely out of that too. So I just had to get the Walmart brand, Great Value brand. And they pretty much the same thing. Hefty is a little bit better, but these will work. And then I got a big thing of bottled spring water. So I always keep bottles on hand too. Kids love to just grab a bottle and drink them. So it's easier than getting that big gallon out of the refrigerator most of the time. So I got 32 of the 16.9 fluid ounce bottles. I think the pack was less than $4. So it's a pretty good deal. All right, family. Well, that's all I have for you today. Big Walmart haul. I hope y'all are staying safe. Please be careful and take care, and we'll see you next time. All right. Bye-bye.